Hello everyone! Here is a step-by-step process of drawing a dress on a figure using a drawing desk. Check out the linked video to learn to draw a fashion figure sketch. From the figure sketch which was drawn, start sketching your dress. We are starting off with a beautiful skirt. With the color you prefer, draw a slit skirt. Then to the blouse. Draw a deep neck blouse using the color yellow. Then a purple color highlights the blouse. Using the symmetrical tool, draw a perfect sunglass. Highlight the hand and erase the skirt. Fill in the skin with any skin tone. Also, color the hair as well with two different colors. Now using the roller brush, add a different color of clothing part for the skirt. Use the spray tool for the blouse for more see-through elements. And then using the roller brush, add more details to the blouse. Then, using an eraser tool, shape the blouse. Using the roller brush, add more details to the blouse. The roller brush helps you through all details. Use our various paintbrush tools to add some shading to the blouse. That's it for the blouse. Now for the skirt, add some highlights using a darker brown. Using the roller brush, add some design to the skirt. We are going with a floral look. You can go with any unique design to stand out from others. Mix and match your designs with other colors as shown in the video. Add more highlights using the roller brush. Then, add some lines using white color and dark brown colors. We are loving how it is coming. Add some highlights to the slits of the skirts. For the blouse, add a cute bow for a nicer look. Add more details for the blouse as shown in the video. Using the symmetrical tool, add shading to the sunglasses. Looks cool, doesn't it? Add more details for the skin as well for a prettier look. Also, add beautiful purple color heels to match the dress. Then, add more details for the skirt. Then add some cool earrings as well. We are seeing a beautiful model coming from drawing desk. That's it. Give birth to all your fashion models in Drawing Desk now for free. Try it on Drawing Desk.